say. You can't tell me how I feel or what to even pray. You can't tell me when I'm wrong or catch me when I fall, yeah, 'cause I'm falling hard